learning const vs final in Flutter. Okay, so let's start. So the const is compile time constants. A const variable must have its value known at a compile time. This means the value must be fully determined before the program run. Immutability. Const make an object immutable, ensuring that it cannot be changed in any way at runtime and compile time. It not change. Okay, and the use of objects. If an object is declared as const, all of its properties must also be constants. Okay, and the memory optimization. So the const value are known at compile time. They are stored directly in memory and reused across the application, which can save memory. Okay, static or instance. So you can use const to define top level, class level, or instance level constants. Okay, so and the final. So the final is runtime constants. A final variable is initialized only once, but it doesn't have to be assigned until runtime. Once assigned, its value cannot be changed. Immutability at runtime. So the after initialize assignment, a final variable is immutable, but it can be assigned based on runtime conditions. Used with objects. So you can use final to create instance of object that aren't constants but want to be changed after creation. Okay, and the late initialize. So the final variable can be initialized later using late final, making it possible to assign them after some initial setup. Okay, so the key difference of const and final. So the initial time is the constant is compile time initialize and the final is runtime initialization. Okay, and the reassignment, constant is not allowed and in final not allowed after initialize assignment. Okay, and use of objects. So the constant is yes, but the entire object must be constants, and the final is yes, object's properties can still be modified if mutable, and the memory optimization is stored in memory and reusable in constants, and the final is created at runtime, and the late initialize is const is not allowed and the final is allowed. Okay, so let's see the example for that. So here is the example. So the const string title my application. So we don't change the title of application. Okay, so it's constants and the date and time is changed at runtime. So we are use final. So this is the difference of const and final. Run the application and look is this. Okay, if you have any queries, so please comment me. Thank you.